Matlock Meadows, and this Vauxhall Movano pulled up, and it's got a great little saying on the side, so we assumed it was a camper, a converted camp van, and lo and behold it was. So we had a chat with Leon and Katie, and they very kindly said we could have a quick look at their conversion. Oh wow. It always amazes us that we end up with the same similar box, but people's take on what they do.
Yes.
So what have you done? What was your starting point?
Pretty well the windows to go. We've gone from T4s before, so this is about my third build.
Oh, right.
T4s before that.
An expert.
Well,
We've made the mistakes.
yeah, we're going a bit small. The T4 was with the two girls, so we need to get something a bit bigger. So yeah, this just came up as a standard panel van from a hire company. It was.
So did you had to put the windows and everything in, or with the windows?
Yeah, the windows was the only thing I got done professionally. I'll do so much, but I won't cut a huge hole in the side of a van. You know,
leave that to somebody else.
exactly. If they make a mistake, it's their problem then, and not anybody else's. But apart from that, everything else I've done myself. So
can I have a
yeah.
Lovely, thank you. So we've got a fixed bed.
Yes.
And the girls
sleep underneath.
The girls have got their own little den underneath and that. Yeah.
Storage underneath for their clothes and their toys.
Yeah.
And their sleeping bags.
And then you've got your cooker on this side.
Yeah. Old 1950s.
Yeah.
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 1950s cooker.
Old 1950s. Yeah. Just we found in the old T4 that we needed an oven.
Yeah.
There was only so much you can do on two rings, especially with young kids and that.
Yeah.
So that was probably the first thing we bought for the actual van, was the oven, and then everything has been worked around that. Same as the sink. It's a 1960s enamel.
Ooh. Yeah.
Kitchen
It gives
unit.
a lot of character to
Yes.
to build, doesn't it?
Actual 50s kitchen unit with enamel, and we got an enamel bowl.
Yeah.
And then our love for tea, so
Yeah.
very much. And these were out of
an
an
ambulance. Yeah. Well, we've got an ambulance and we've left those in, so
Yes.
I recognise them straight away.
That's it, yeah. Just covered them up with the hessian and that.
Yeah. And then massive storage over the.
Yeah, storage over the top.
cab.
So each of us have got our own
Suitcase.
old
Yeah.
vintage suitcases to keep our clothes in. And then same again. I didn't want a full fitted
Fridge.
fridge because we don't live in it and we don't go away at amount of time. So we should just connect that up to the leisure battery and all that, and it does us fine.
So, have you got a solar or anything like that?
No solar yet. So we've only had this about 4 months now. So we've about 4 months to do. Solar panel probably be next year now.
It's on the list.
Yeah.
It's on
The wish list.
Yeah.
A never-ending list.
Yeah.
And it's got full leisure battery set up,
Uh huh.
split charger and all that. Literally just fitted a heater in here last week.
What have you got?
I got a Propex gas heater.
Yeah.
Because the same again with the oven and the hob and everything running off gas. I didn't want another source, and I didn't want to tap into my diesel tank and that.
So, what sort of gas system have you got?
It's just a standard 7 kg Cala at the moment, just in the back. But same again, next year I'll be looking at maybe going for an underslung LPG tank, keep it outside, and just need a bit more space in the back.
Yeah.
We was going towards the log burner at one point, but we ran out of space quite quickly
Yeah.
by the time we got everything in.
Did you take the bulkhead out, or
Yeah, there was a bulkhead in, so
Yeah.
that just came out. The front seats swivel round,
both of them?
both of them do.
Yeah.
So this is like our dining area,
Right.
and so obviously we needed a fixed rear seats for the girls and that.
It's lovely. Nice and cosy.
Lights everywhere. What's the sparkly ones?
Sparkly ones, yeah, this USB, so little
Oh yes.
little mood lighting.
That's lovely.
And then the girls underneath have got their lights.
The girls have got their own USB changing colour lights.
All right. Yeah. And they've got storage under here as well, is it? Like
They've
you
got
say?
storage under there, the ukuleles,
Oh.
their own little boxes. And then obviously we got the fixed bed up on the top.
Yeah.
But obviously for myself, being 6 foot, it's not quite as wide, so I just built a little extension.
Sorry.
So if you just pull that extension,
Right.
and then
So you sleep-
I've got a big thing on there, and then I can sleep long ways.
Ah, right.
Just gets a bit more room for my legs and that mainly. We do sleep crossways as well.
Yeah.
We have done that before, so sometimes you just need to stretch. Need to stretch out.
The front seats swivel around so we can sit with the girls. We've just got this table from IKEA for them with the storage underneath, so they've got all their bits and bobs, which is grand. But it means that we can sit and eat at the table with all 4 of us, and also when they go to bed, we can sit at the front and have a table and a cup of tea and a conversation, or we can sit up on the top and it doesn't matter.
That's smashing. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
And you've not sprayed it at all. It was yellow when you got it.
That was one of the reasons why we got it. I've always been into VWs and that with the T4s and that, so we were looking at crafters and sprinters and all that, but nothing was coming up, and they were all white. And this just came up being yellow, and it was like, yep, something different. Yeah, we had white now for the last 3, the last 2 of the campers, so it was, it did make it a bit different, and having the height, you know, that was a big plus for us, was having the extra tall roof on this one.
So we had a pop top on the last T4, but even though it gives you that bit of height, depending on which way around it, you still got restriction as to where you can stand. And when the girls are in it, you've got to put the board in, so you don't actually gain any height. No. Whereas this makes a massive difference, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, for you anyway.
That's lovely. Thank you very much.
No problem.
And you got an interesting Christmas holiday organised.
Yeah, we're going to go away. We're going on the Sunday to Boxing Day.
Yep.
In the van.
In the van, but
in Wales, at a campsite with a hot tub. Not in the van, obviously. But,
this is glamping, though, isn't it? As you said, a bit of luxury there.
Camper vanning with a little bit of Christmas luxury.
And who can blame you?
You got to spoil yourself.
We're still arguing over what size turkey we're actually going to manage to fit.
We've got to measure what we can fit in the oven.
So we're still having full Christmas dinner, aren't we?
Full Christmas dinner, and the trees and the
breakfast
presents
and everything else in here. But then we might go into the hot tub afterwards. And
That sounds ideal.
Christmas dinner in the hot tub. Yes.
Brilliant. We've got a static caravan in Newelgrave, and we come here for a coffee. One of our regular coffee places. A nice bit of bunting round. Decals. So yes, thank you very much.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.